Welcome back to Tea and Toys. Well, I was digging through some old paperwork, toy-wise, obviously, and came across this Tente building block type toys. Now, these were, I think they came around in the 70s. It's a Spanish company, and the funny thing is, we have this leaflet. I think we had another one as well, exactly the same leaflet. And we only had one set, and it was like a boat. And there were two other sets that we did get that were from a... Now, I'm seeing Kellogg's promotion, but I think it was Askey's wafers. So if you know the promotion, or if you have pictures of that promotion, please post them or send links in the comments so I can have a look. So let's have a quick look at this brochure from Tente Toys. It opens this way. Now, we used to look at this non-stop, absolutely loving it. It's obviously stained a little bit. It's been in and out of storage here and there, moving around. Now, I loved the look of these Roblox as a kid. Like, just look how crazy they look. How cool is that? Like a Transformers Lego. Like the first time they tried doing it, before Hasbro tried doing it, those rubbishy Armada things, and then now Lego's doing it properly. Now, I think that's the boat that we had, but it doesn't quite look right. Now, I look at this and I think, is it that one? It's either that one or that one. And there they are. Even more of these robots. These ones had sounds on the ends. Krator, an Xtronic. So these guys weren't afraid of doing war toys, whereas Lego still is. You know, they don't love doing the Star Wars stuff because they are war toys. Look at how cool some of these battleships looked. And this is interesting here. It lists where they were. This probably doesn't exist anymore. Zodiac superstores. Now they've all gone. Larger Tesco stores. Now Tesco's used to have an absolutely amazing toy section in the 80s and the early 90s. And then it went crap. And then it came back. Toys R Us, you know, they're more or less closed down. I think they're a remnant barely breathes in WH Smith stores now. Not that they're WH Smiths anymore. And Trago shopping centres. No, I never heard of them. So that might be a northern thing. If I'm wrong, correct me in the comments. And they've had some helicopters. More ships at the bottom. Ooh, I don't think, is it that? But that's not right. It wasn't a cargo ship. And there we go. More some space stuff. Now, the sets that were with the promotion with either Kellogg's or Askey's wafers were ones like this, but none of these. So if you know the answer, please do tell me. Let's keep a look at these. This is the one I always wanted. This one in particular. What was he called? Phoenixter. Phoenixter? And Super Bee. How cool. See you guys and girls in the next one.